Hey guys, how's it going? So for this video I have this cool COMFEE rice cooker to show you that can not only be used for rice but a variety of meals like pasta, soups, and the slow cooking option for chicken and beef. And in this case I'll prepare rice and oatmeal. So let's do a quick unboxing and get to the cooking part. Guys, if you like the video so far, make sure to hit the like button. Also, if you think that this rice cooker would be a great addition to your kitchen, I will definitely have the link included in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. In my opinion, this is definitely a cooker that is a must-have, especially that it can be used for variety meals and it's easy to store and operate. If you think that this is a good addition for your kitchen, make sure to check out the description box. I will include product links. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this for future videos.